And I saw a lot of different things, and I talked to a lot of people there on the ground, people in the diners, people in the town offices, people in the newspaper business down there. I talked to people that were happy about the opportunities, because everywhere I went there was a help wanted sign. And I also talked to people about the problems that they were having with development. Because, make no mistake about it, whenever there's something that is a significant economic development, which is what natural gas development is, and offers a lot of great opportunities, there's always going to be things that have to be looked at and resolved. And in the case of towns, and you find yourself in this position right now, and I guess to a degree, the position that you've been placed in is somewhat, I guess, unfortunate. I think there's, according to the law as I see it, and as I read it, oil and gas regulation in New York has been historically the province of the state, Department of Environmental Conservation. And I know that there's been discussion about, well, we're not talking about regulating, we're talking about banning, and banning's okay. Well, the common sense part of me says, wait a minute, if you follow that logic, what that means is, in every town in upstate New York, where gas actually exists, and I'm from a place where there is no, to my knowledge, no gas under my land. But if you follow that logic, what that means is 3 people in every town where there's gas can actually lock up energy production in this state. Well, when I think of it that way, it doesn't sound right to me. And there are a number of legal experts, actually a little bit more even proficient than myself in this area, that agree with that. So I guess I ask myself, why is the town in this position? Certainly there have been towns in this area and certain hot spots, as I would identify them, typically around Ithaca and around Cooperstown, where there's a public interest law firm that is going around and proposing to give towns a free template that will allow them to ban drilling. And my understanding is that there's an attorney that has been here and is providing the town with free services to actually do this. Well, I looked into this a little bit, and I've actually been watching the goings-on, and several things that strike me about the presentation that you have, I guess, before you from this public interest, non-for-profit law firm.